Hola, welcome back to SpanishForYourJob.com. Today, we will learn the top 10 words in spoken Spanish and why it is important to memorize the top 100 words to learn Spanish faster. Vamos a iniciar. Let's get started. Spanish tip number 6. Memorize the top 100 words most commonly used in spoken Spanish. Words are the fundamental building blocks of a language, but there are so many Spanish words out there that learning vocabulary can feel overwhelming and confusing. It's like trying to find the right book in a library with your eyes closed. Wouldn't it be easier if you had a clear path to follow so you could know where to get started? To have a clear path that would allow you to apply the 80-20 principle to learn Spanish? That's why learning the top 100 words in spoken Spanish will accelerate your progress by allowing you to focus on words that are used frequently in everyday life. To avoid making this guide too long, we will review the top 10 words in spoken Spanish, and at the end, I will give you a link to a list of the top 100 words in spoken Spanish, where you can also get a printable copy to review later. Here are the top 10 words in spoken Spanish. Number 1 on the list is the word que, which translates as the conjunction that. Although que can also mean what when it's que with an accent in the E, in this case, it's the que without the accent that is used as a conjunction. Here's an example. Recuerda que es importante. Remember that it is important. Recuerda que es importante. The second word on the list is de. It can be translated as of, from, or about, and is often used to convey possession, origin, material, or other characteristics. Here are a few common examples. Necesito una taza de café. I need a cup of coffee. Necesito una taza de café. Hablamos de historia en la clase. We talked about history in class. Hablamos de historia en la clase. Ella es de Europa. She is from Europe. Ella es de Europa. El libro es de María. The book belongs to Maria. El libro es de María. La mesa es de madera. The table is made of wood. La mesa es de madera. Next on the list, we have the word no, which translates as no, no. An easy way to remember the correct pronunciation of the word no in Spanish is to imagine there's an H after the letter O. So it goes from no in English to no in Spanish. Here's an example. No entiendo. I don't understand. No entiendo. The next word on the list is a, which translates as to or at when talking about time. A. Here are a few examples. Yo voy a aprender rápido. I'm going to learn quickly. Yo voy a Aprender rápido. Nosotros vamos a la oficina. We are going to the office. Nosotros vamos a la oficina. La clase es a las 10 de la mañana. The class is at 10 a.m. La clase es a las 10 de la mañana. Next on the list, we have the word la, which means the when used for singular feminine nouns. La. Here's an example. La comida es deliciosa. The food is delicious. La comida es deliciosa. The next word on the list is el, which also means the when used for singular masculine nouns. El. Here's an example. El café está caliente. The coffee is hot. El café está caliente. Next on the list, we have the word es, which is the conjugation for he is, she is, and it is when talking about essential characteristics that are relatively permanent. Es. Here are a few examples. Él es hombre. He is a man. Él es hombre. Ella es inteligente. She is intelligent. Ella es inteligente. Eso es importante. It is important. Eso es importante. The next word on the list is y, which translates as the conjunction and. Y. Here's an example. Me gusta el café y el té. I like coffee and tea. Me gusta el café y el té. Next on the list, we have the word en, which is generally translated as in, on, or at. En. Here are a few examples. Yo trabajo en una oficina. I work in an office. Yo trabajo en una oficina. El plato está en la mesa. The plate is on the table. El plato está en la mesa. Tú estás en casa. You are at home. Tú estás en casa. The last word on this list is lo, which is generally translated as it or him when used as a direct object pronoun. Lo. Here are a few examples. ¿Lo entiendes? Do you understand it? ¿Lo entiendes? Lo entiendo. I understand it. Lo entiendo. No lo recuerdo bien. I don't remember it well. No lo recuerdo bien. If you would like to review the list of top 100 words in spoken Spanish for free, you can visit SpanishForYourJob.com/common words, where you can find the full list of words and you will have the option to get a printable PDF copy via email. Remember, if you would like to review the list of top 100 words in spoken Spanish, you can visit SpanishForYourJob.com/common words. Now, let's move on to the next tip on the list. If you want more ideas to learn Spanish faster, click the video on your screen right now, where you can learn useful tips to learn Spanish fast without having to memorize lots of conjugations to get started. Go ahead and click on the video and continue learning Spanish.